Sun dips low on the Perth Amboy shore. Families gathering, hearts wanting more. From the docks to the rails, they all came through. South Amboy smile, Staten Island too. Cool breeze dancing through the boardwalk air. Old friends meeting like they always were there. Children chasing dreams under fading gold, waiting for the sky to unfold. Light up the bay, let the stars ignite. Raritan's heart is alive tonight. Perth to South Amboy shining bright, with Staten Island glowing in the light. One sky, one sound, one voice, one view. Fireworks flying for me and you. Let the night remember what we feel inside on this waterfront, where our hearts collide. Boats in the harbor, horns in the breeze, the flash of color dancing through the trees. Grills still burning, people singing loud, joy rising high above the crowd. We don't need a reason, don't need a name, just the boom of love in a sky aflame. Different cities, but tonight we're one, under the sparks of the setting sun. Light up the bay, let the stars ignite. Raritan's heart is alive tonight. Perth to South Amboy shining bright, with Staten Island glowing in the light. One sky, one sound, one voice, one view. Fireworks flying for me and you. Let the night remember what we feel inside on this waterfront, where our hearts collide. And when the final flare fades slow, we'll hold on tight, never letting go. 'Cause the bay remembers every cheer, every laugh, every happy tear. Light up the bay, let the stars ignite. Paint our love across the night. Perth to South Amboy shining bright, with Staten Island glow